Bees teach us that the persistence of traditions is maintained through Stigmergy. Di Pietro and colleagues argue that it's changes in physical structures themselves, and not genetic factors or prior experience, that prompt specific building patterns amongst bees and thus the variation in nest architecture. Let's understand this better by looking at human Stigmergy. We tend to look for clear areas in public parks for picnics because these physical marks suggest that some people were there before us. So it should be okay to open our mats over there as well. Before social media, we communicated, and many still do, face to face. But now the way we share information and interact has fundamentally changed. Our likes, comments, shares, etc. are signals that have shaped the way we perceive and act. We have also shown our magnificent adapt behavior during the pandemic. Mobile wallets and tap-and-go cards suddenly became the norm in our efforts to reduce the risks of virus transmission. Graffiti, like bees, does not require direct communication genetics to be enhanced. Street artists are instigated to leave their mark for different reasons, but underlying those are identity and the reinforcement of shared cultural values and norms. Cooking as well is not only something we need, but also a learned behavior by perceived changes in our immediate environment. We all need to eat, so we cook, but we are also influenced by others' techniques, especially if their food looks, smells, and tastes better than ours. So, the research by Di Pietro and colleagues shows that we need to look deeper into how environmental changes around us influence or adapt behavior, so we can better understand how tradition, not only of insects, is preserved, transmitted, and developed over time.